Take a walk through the streets of Paris, and you'll notice that people look amazing. This eclectic city, renowned as a hub for creativity, art, and culture, is also home to some of the most fashionable individuals. The Parisians seem to have an effortless style that many aspire to emulate. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind Parisian fashion and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to dress like a Parisian man. The French have their very own philosophy of style, which is deeply embedded in their cultural identity. One of the most commonly used abbreviations to describe fashion is BCBG, which stands for Bon Chic Bon Genre. This roughly translates to good style, good sort of person, and refers to someone who is well-dressed and exudes sophistication. Parisian men, true to BCBG fashion, skillfully blend formal and casual pieces to create a sophisticated and elegant style that doesn't look overly dressy. The result is a look that is both refined and approachable, effortlessly capturing the essence of Parisian chic. The first step in creating a Parisian wardrobe is to invest in a few high-quality basic items. Parisians, like many others, have their favorite go-to brands. These brands are chosen not only for their style, but also for their consistent quality. When shopping, it's essential to prioritize quality over quantity. Look for items made from natural fabrics like cotton, linen, wool, and cashmere. Polyester and other synthetics are generally avoided as they do not offer the same level of sophistication and durability. Opting for quality over quantity does not mean you'll be limited in the outfits you can create. The idea is to invest in basic yet versatile pieces that work well with each other. Even if you only have a handful of quality items, you'll be able to create numerous unique outfits. Parisian style is built around timeless pieces that adhere to universally recognized principles of fashion: clean lines, a neutral palette, and classic staples. By focusing on these basics, you'll never be seen as unstylish or out of trend, because the pieces you're investing in are inherently timeless. For example, consider this outfit: a pair of tapered cropped black trousers, a black cashmere turtleneck with a black shirt collar, a leather jacket, paired with white high-top Converse sneakers, and topped off with a white beanie hat. This archetypical outfit is something any Parisian would appreciate. It combines classic elements with a modern touch, demonstrating how to achieve that effortlessly stylish look. Let's talk about the fit of your clothes, which is just as crucial as their quality. The classic Parisian style focuses on a slimmer fit. While it's not always necessary to have every item tailored, ensuring that each piece fits well and isn't overly tight or baggy is important. A well-fitted outfit gives off a sharp, elegant look. In a city as fashion-forward as Paris, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Parisians love to mix things up, combining classic pieces with more contemporary cuts. For instance, wide-leg cropped trousers paired with a peacoat and a classic fitted sweater, combined with lace-up boots, show how you can mix traditional elements with modern styles. Parisian fashion also allows for some trendy items and vibrant colors, so feel free to incorporate these into your wardrobe. Parisians have a strong sense of identity, leading to a more individualized approach to fashion. Don't be afraid to express yourself through your clothing choices. The color palette you should aim for consists mainly of timeless and sophisticated neutral tones such as white, cream, navy, gray, beige, burgundy, and particularly black. A simple black tee or overcoat can convey a level of sophistication that other colors might not achieve. Black pieces are incredibly versatile, chic, and elegant, fitting for virtually any occasion and serving as a great base for any outfit. It's common to see Parisians wearing black from head to toe, demonstrating the power of this classic color in creating a refined look. Grabbing some staple pieces in line with these principles is a great way to build the foundation of a Parisian wardrobe. Start with a few basic items for your tops, such as cotton tees in black, white, or a Breton stripe. Add some shirts in navy, black, and white linen or cotton for variety, and pick up a few cashmere knits, both turtleneck and crew neck, in basic colors. For trousers, begin with a pair of high-quality straight-cut denim jeans and a pair of chinos in black or beige. Adding a pair of pleated wool trousers will further strengthen your wardrobe foundation. Layering is a key principle in Parisian style, adding depth, texture, and personality to your outfits. Some great basic layering items include linen shirts, cashmere sweaters, cardigans, turtlenecks, bombers, and denim jackets. Parisians are also big fans of leather jackets, particularly bomber and shirt collar styles. These jackets can be dressed up with wool trousers or worn more casually with blue denim jeans and Chuck Taylor sneakers. A wool overcoat is another excellent layering piece that will complete any outfit and keep you warm during the winter months. When layering, remember that each layer should be exposed as you add the next. It's also important to stick to neutral tones to maintain the cohesive and sophisticated look that defines Parisian fashion. As for shoes, Parisian style can vary greatly depending on the outfit and your lifestyle. Parisians generally walk a lot, which influences their shoe choices. Stylish sneakers are a must-have. Opt for Converse Chuck Taylors, leather sneakers, or basic canvas shoes in black or white. Alternatively, you might consider a pair of lace-up boots. Suede chukka boots or Chelsea boots are both excellent options for summer. For a more elevated look, leather loafers or boat shoes work well. Brogues, Oxfords, or monk strap shoes in black or brown are perfect for formal occasions while still fitting the effortless Parisian vibe. Pairing your outfit with a good accessory is a crucial step in dressing like a Parisian man. Accessories are where you can experiment and add a bit of personality to your outfits. A quintessential accessory in Paris is a high-quality leather belt. Not only is it practical, but it also adds a level of sophistication to your outfit, fitting virtually any look from casual shirts and jeans to formal suits. Scarves are a huge element of Parisian style. They are perfect for keeping you warm during colder months, but their popularity extends beyond practicality. Parisians know how to style a scarf, adding a touch of elegance to their outfits all year round. Opt for scarves made from silk, cashmere, or wool, and don't be afraid to incorporate a pop of color. Learning different ways to tie your scarf can also enhance your look, as it's the small details that often make a big difference. A classic pair of sunglasses is also a must-have. Sunglasses can easily become the statement piece of your outfit, adding a bit of flair to otherwise basic looks. Look for aviators, wayfarers, or personal pilot frame styles for an instant upgrade. Another essential accessory is a high-quality watch, which can elevate any Parisian outfit from good to great. Choose a sleek, simple design with a leather strap, or go for the ever-popular Casio G-Shock. The Baby G with a transparent strap can instantly modernize any look, giving you an extra bit of flair. For hats, a simple beanie can go a long way. Beanies are sleek, classic, and available in a wide range of colors, making them a versatile addition to your wardrobe. They won't break the bank, so grabbing a few that you like is a great investment. So, that's how you can dress like a Parisian man. Follow these principles and gradually build up your wardrobe with high-quality pieces. With time and attention to detail, you'll be able to blend into the stylish streets of Paris in no time. Until next time, stay stylish and embrace the elegance of Parisian fashion.